in a small town down in Arkansas, where the river flows, there's a man with a passion that everybody knows.
Howdy, howdy everybody. Welcome to HT's EDC, coming at you once again from the back patio. And we have my number one girl right here, choosing to be on the left side in full protection duty right now, Miss Abby. How's everybody doing this morning? We are doing well this way. Had a little weather last night. I guess that Hurricane Beryl, I guess we got what we were going to get of her effects here in South Arkansas last evening. Still a little windy this morning out here, to be honest, but it didn't get too terribly bad here at my place. I know my brother lives about 10 miles away, and they lost power through the middle of the night, maybe a down tree line or whatever, because really the worst of the wind and rain and all here was earlier that evening around 8-9 o'clock. But anyway, the Lord spared us any major catastrophes, at least here on my home front. But it did get a little hairy there for a couple hours last night, and are some reports of down trees and some, you know, I shudder to say minor damage, because there may be some spots out there that got major damage, but I've heard of a couple of down trees and some, you know, power being out and all. But anyway, for the big picture, I think it can be said that we, you know, avoided major catastrophe. So that is a blessing. Thank you, good Lord. But anyway, we're gonna get out here and talk some pocket knives. Pocket knives this morning. Well, actually, pocket knife, singular. I spoke yesterday how I kind of been on the ye old horse trading trail here lately, and I have actually had a real heavy day yesterday. I pulled a bunch of horse trades last week, you know, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. We shored up some of those trades, and I guess over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you know, the mail traveling all. Anyway, come Monday yesterday, I got a myriad of all those trades in, and thought I would show you one of those horses, if you will, that came into my stable. And it is none other than this. So yeah, we are back to kind of HT sweet spot. If you know this channel, HT likes them biggins. We are not shy of a hip sheath. I am very used to wearing a side sheath, you know, buck 110, buck 112 style knife, or, you know, folding hunters, and that is exactly what we have here. I am a folding hunter fanatic. I love that model, and we were able to pick up a new one here, and this is absolutely brand new. It still had the good old case XX lack of an edge, or, well, we take that back. They put an edge on it. Case, you know, they come with an edge. It looks like this asphalt, like someone took it and ground it on this asphalt concrete behind me. But anyway, there's an edge on it. But you guys buy them new case knives, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, it still had the factory burr on it, brand new, in the box. Good old case, black box on this one. And this is a blue denim canvas micarta smooth folding hunter, and this is number 10165 in stainless steel, and this was actually born on 3/27/24. You guys want to see any of that? it will be in my video description. But this is the good old 65 pattern folding hunter, and this is actually a single blade folding hunter. And you guys would see that if I'd get it open. What y'all think? Isn't that a dandy? Check out that blade. Got that nice hollow grind on it right here, about midway hollow grind. Beautiful mirror polish clip point blade here. Half moon nail nick. And this thing has a show enough. I gotta give them this. They're still like they still act like they're grinding their knives on a concrete block, but I gotta give them credit where credit's due. This one has a point. A lot of times you've heard me complain about rounded tips on a case knife. Well, this just goes to show you they can put a point on there, because that's very pointy, very good tip on this one. And honestly, overall, this has crazy good fit and finish. I am very pleased with the fit and finish. Centering, we'll show you real quick. You talk about down the old middle. We can get that to focus. Check that out, folks. Right down Broadway, as Big E would say. But anyway, we got this. Actually, they're calling it a blue denim canvas laminate. I think I called it micarta laminate, blue canvas. I mean canvas micarta, but they have the word laminate on here. I don't know what that means, you know, what they're going with that. Feels like canvas micarta to me. That's what I'm going to call it, blue jean micarta. And has the nice diamond shield here, case diamond shield on it. But yeah, folks, it is a beast of a knife. Check this thing out in hand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we're not even choked up. Look at that. If we choke up here, we got a good, what is that, inch and a half of handle coming out the back. But if you just grip it nice and natural, still you got a whole bolster coming out the back. It's a big one, but honestly, you guys not gonna believe this. HT is carrying this knife today in his good old magnetic slip. Does it come out above? Yeah, that bolster comes out above the top of it. But with this being single blade, believe it or not, this is not that heavy. I should have weighed this on my gram scale inside, but I am a folding hunter fan, and those folding hunters, the two blades like the case folding hunter or the old timer two bladers, they're 6, almost 7. I mean, they are a chunk of change, and you most definitely are going to have to carry one of those. In my opinion, I mean, do what you want to do. You could drop one in your front pocket, but that is a commitment. 6-7 ounce knife in your front pocket. But I would say this, folks, I'm guessing, but 4 ounce, 3.5 maybe, with the single blade, it has cut a lot of weight off of this knife. And yeah, I am actually dropping this thing right down in my front pocket in my MKM magnetic slip. Color me crazy, that's how I roll, or that's how I am gonna roll. But anyway, I have not talked to the gentleman yet. I reached out to him this morning. Should have actually talked to him a bunch yesterday. We communicate all the time. Should have asked him last night if it was okay to say his name on air over YouTube. But he has not given me that go ahead yet officially. Probably would be no problem. That is what I'm expecting. But anyway, there's more to that trade with that gentleman. If it is a go, you will see more blades, and there'll be a chance to give him his due in the future. But buddy, thank you for the good trade. I have heard already that he is happy on his end of the trade, or I wouldn't be showing, I won't be showing any trades until both parties are good, happy, and he has said he is happy, but I did not get his go-ahead to put his name out here over these airwaves. So, but anyway, he wrote me a nice, as always, handwritten note. Again, there was more to this trade. There's a second knife and some other things in this trade, but out of respect, till the proper time, we will not name you, but buddy, you know who you are. And 2 thumbs up and a salute from HT on this trade, buddy. I am stoked to get this single blade hunter in my listen to that snap. Let's do that again. Finish that thought. I am stoked to get this hunter in my stable now, into my collection, and I thank you for that. Now, check out this snap. Let's do that again. Yes, sir. And check it out going closed. Good detent. Like I said, right down the middle, centering. This, folks, minus the concrete block secondary edge that they all come with. I'm sorry, they just do. But this is a testament, folks, to show case can still make. And this is a 24. This is a 3/27 of 24. So this thing is what, not even 4 months old now, knife. So this is a testament that shows you case can still pump out, and that's probably the problem, the word pump out. Let's say produce a quality, good fit and finish knife. I have zero qualms about the fit and finish of this knife. So gotta call it, we are on when companies kind of little smelly, do some bad things, we come on here and, in my opinion, rightfully so, give them feedback and bust them out on it. But you got to call it both ways. Case, you got this one right. This is stellar. You got 5 pins per side. Folks, you would never know outside of seeing those brass pins there. You don't feel them whatsoever. This shield, if I turn around here where y'all can see what I'm doing, this shield is seamless. The only way I know this shield is there, and I promise you, is I can feel this case writing inside this diamond. Outside of that, bolster onto micarta, all these pins, and even the shield, minus, you're gonna feel the little engraving inside. From right here to right here, folks, is smooth as a baby's bottom. So, case can still make, in 2024, a fantastic fit and finish knife, and you're looking at one. Salute, Case. We give you grief. We give you grief, and rightfully so sometimes. You need to hear some of this stuff, some feedback from your customers. But when you get it right, we need to come on here and tell you you got it right. This example, it's right as rain, folks. I am stoked to have it in my collection. And like I say, it is going in, color me crazy, but I'm wearing shorts today, and I want to get back to a big knife in my pocket. I'm kind of nicking. I've been carrying my canoes, Barlows, some of the smaller guys. The big guy needs a big knife, and it's short season. I'm not wearing jeans. I'm not, you know, really carrying a bulky side sheath right now because it's 190,000 degrees outside and the big guy's in shorts. But I'm cheating today. I'm wearing shorts and I'm carrying a big knife. It can be done. Just got to be a little resourceful. Anyway, we're at 15 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Gonna try to get off here. Try to keep these things under 20 and 30 minutes. Try not to be so long-winded. Get on here, say what I'm gonna say. But this is a good one. Young man, you know who you are. I'm sure we'll talk today. Thank you for an awesome trade. God bless you, and we are out of here. Take care.
I'm stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Yeah. I needed a friend. In the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you too.